I'm going to invite Heath to just talk a little bit about this example. This is from Anderson Porter Design. They presented it in the first workshop. This is an example you should recognize, but today we're going to focus in on the just the set points and the system, and maybe comment on the opportunity for energy recovery in this example, given this facility size.
In this particular example, what you have is one of those hydronic opportunities that is using outside air for the CO2 control. And so it would be a combination of elements where you're using a gas fired chiller. So you're removing the main HVAC plant from the electrical grid and tapping into the natural gas. So in this facility, that pie chart that we saw at the beginning would shift more towards the natural gas, less on the HVAC electrical, and this would be a way of achieving that type of item. One of the byproducts of the gas fired chiller is heat recovery. And so now you have the hot water to be able to move to other portions of the building, and more importantly, on the dehumidification side of it, use it to maintain that control of humidity within the space.